Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator ice dispenser door link. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice dispenser door link. The ice dispenser door link links the door motor and the lever together. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not opening and the refrigerator is not dispensing ice. In order to get to the part, we have to take the dispenser out. It's just held in by a bunch of locking tabs around the edges. We're going to use a putty knife to carefully get in here and release the tabs. You're going to start at the bottom. You just want to be careful you don't scratch anything. We're going to go up the side here. Just want to hold on to the dispenser so you don't let it snap back in. Once you have them all released, you can just carefully set the dispenser down in the bottom here. You want to let it drop down a little bit so we can get access to the parts. But we're going to use some tape. Make sure you use something that doesn't leave any residue, and we're just going to tape the assembly up so we don't let the wires support it. The ice dispenser door link is located right here at the top of the cavity. To get it off, we're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws, hold this little retainer bar on. Once you have the screws out, we're just going to lift up and take it out of the little bracket right here. And we're going to pull this pin out and just slide it down so we can get to the link. Once you have the lever out of the way, we can reach in with the Phillips screwdriver and take out the screws to hold the link in. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the door link off the refrigerator. Here's the old ice dispenser door link next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new link in, you want to make sure that the flat part is on the bottom so it goes against the motor pin. And then we're going to kind of put a screw through the top and then grab it with the needle nose pliers. Then move the lever and put it back into position. And then once you have it in place, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Then we can put the lower screw in. You just have to move the lever out of the way. Once you have the screws tightened down, we're going to lift the lever back up in place and put the pin in, rest it in place. Once you have it in, we're going to put the bracket and the screws back in. Just going to use the Phillips screwdriver to put those in. You just want to make sure that the little locking tab comes through the bracket. Once you have the lever assembly back in place, your springs may have fallen out, so you just need to put those right in these little slots right here. Once you have the springs in, we can put the dispenser back together. We're just going to remove the tape. And then we're just going to pick it up and line it up and just snap it back into place. Once you have it snapped back in place, we can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.